Hi, I'm Tom at TDL Repair, and today we've got something a little bit special to work on. A friend of mine unfortunately dropped something onto the tank of his bike, and it's just put a very small dent in the top of the tank here. We don't usually work on bike tanks ourselves. It is a fairly common thing to be repaired in our industry, but not something we usually take on. Using traditional paintless dent repair techniques, I'm going to see if we can get access in through the filler neck to behind the dents and massage the panel back to its original form, which will avoid a costly paint job, which obviously on this sort of bike we'd like to avoid at all costs. So let's take it apart, get involved, and hopefully take that dent out. As we can see, I've got this little dent right on the top of the tank, but the paintwork seems to be intact, so we should be able to take it out. So I'm going to use a bit of heat just to warm up this panel, which will partly protect the paintwork from cracking, but also make the metal itself a bit easier to move. Okay, so here we have the finished result. We're able to fully remove the dents using paintless dent repair techniques, avoiding having to use any kind of fillers or paintwork. So I'm Tom at TDL Repair. You can find us online, tdlrepair.co.uk. Thank you for watching.